I'll let you motherfucker boy. You know what it is, man. Chopping, nigga. Carter, nigga. Chopper Carter, nigga. I'll let your boy, nigga. You know what it is, nigga. You know what it be, nigga. Jay Carter, man. I just be on my god and shit, nigga. Time after time, nigga. Niggas gotta make their money, right? How do you make your money? I know I make my money, but how you make yours, man? Can't fuck with me, nigga. Can't fuck with me. I got so much money, nigga, I can't even carry the motherfucker no more, man. Gotta put it on that plastic shit. Up on that plastic shit. That shit, nigga. Ask me if I want that plastic shit, nigga. Hell yeah. I can't put too much money in that bag shit. Fuck it out. Fuck you, nigga. Fucking with a bum, nigga. Wanna fuck with me? Hell no, nigga. I ain't got no money, man. I tell nigga, man, I'm broke. I'm walking up in there with some motherfucking fresh ass Nikes on. Man, I know he mad though, but I'm so fucking mad though. I can't even say that I even got that cash on me though, but he mad cause I can't give him nothing. I'm just like, man, I'm Jay Carter, I'm not frontin', I ain't got that cent, I ain't got that dollar, nigga, but fuck it, bruh. You can check in the cash tomorrow, bruh. And I'm solid in the motherfucker, you know it though. Every 2020 got me feeling high though. From the sky though, it's just me though. They call me Chopper Carter, and that's me though. I get him, kill him, whoever send him. Get him, kill him, whoever send him.